How to back up iPhone to Mac using Finder. Connecting your iPhone to your Mac doesn't have to be complicated. This tutorial walks you through each step to ensure your iPhone connects successfully using Finder. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac. First, connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB cable. If prompted, unlock your iPhone and tap Trust this computer. Step 2. Open Finder. On your Mac, open a Finder window. You can do this by clicking the Finder icon in your dock. Step 3. Select your iPhone. In the Finder sidebar, under Locations, click on your iPhone. Step 4. Trust your computer, if prompted. If this is the first time connecting your iPhone to your Mac, you might see a Trust button in the Finder window. Click it and then confirm on your iPhone.